Ooh, show Grandma your new dress. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say love you, Grandma.
Yay, Grandma.
Say feel better, Grandma.
Hey, butter. Easy. Easy.
Let's show Grandma your pretty hair. Turn around. Turn around. Do a twirl. No, don't play with the flower. Okay, stop. 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 Say hi.
Hi,
Look at the camera and wave. You wave?
What? Oh. Busy. We're busy.
Is that your pretty dress? Oh, careful, you're dizzy.
It's easy.
Okay, stop spinning then. You're falling down now. Say bye-bye, Grandma.